Ever wondered how a simple pumpkin became the face of Halloween? Let's paint this magical fall icon and uncover its surprising history. Hi, my name is Sanya. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing something fun and festive, a pumpkin painting. But this isn't just about colors. There's a whole story behind pumpkins and why they are so popular, especially around Halloween. Let's dive into it. For this base, I am starting with the rich orange color, but it won't be orange. We will add in some yellows and browns to really capture the feel of autumn. That's the magic of fall. I love how something as simple as a pumpkin has such a rich history behind it. Now, fall is one of my favorite seasons. The cool air, colorful leaves, and of course, pumpkins everywhere. They are not just for decoration. People have been using pumpkins in cooking for centuries. Did you know pumpkin pie was served way back in 1600s during Thanksgiving? Did you know pumpkins weren't always a part of Halloween? A long time ago in Ireland, people used to carve turnips to scare away evil spirits during a festival called Samhain. But when the Irish came to America, they found pumpkins were bigger and easier to carve. That's how pumpkins became the symbol of Halloween. Everything is a blend of colors, and I want to bring that to this painting. Now we are getting into the details. This is where the pumpkin really starts to take shape. Adding shadows and highlights will make it look more realistic, almost like it's glowing on a chilly autumn night. Here's a fun fact. The world's largest pumpkin weighed over 2,700 pounds. Can you imagine carving that for Halloween? abundance. In ancient times, they were seen as a symbol of a good harvest. So, when we paint or carve pumpkins, we are kind of celebrating creativity and prosperity at the same time. There's also an old story called Stingy Jack. It's called a man who tricked the devil and ended up wandering the earth with just carved turnip. Light his way. When people came to America, they started using pumpkins instead, and that's how Jack-o'-lantern tradition started. I love how art and stories are connected. Something as simple as a pumpkin can have so much meaning and history behind it. It really adds depth to the painting process. Now, for the final touches, this is where the pumpkin really comes alive. Adding those extra details makes all the difference. It's amazing how something that starts as a black canvas can turn into something so vibrant and full of character. For me, painting is all about finding beauty in simple things. A pumpkin is something we see every fall, but when you really look at it, the colors, shapes, the history, it becomes a whole new experience. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And there you have it, a pumpkin painting that's more than just a decoration. It's full of history, tradition, and the spirit of season.